Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide to fix Canva something went wrong issue on your device. Now if you are facing the problem of fix some Canva something went wrong, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Canva app on your device and make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data, then it is still not loading or it is still saying something went wrong, that there may be issue with the net or data. So simply turn on the flight mode for 5 to 10 seconds, which helps to resolve the network issue. And if it is still not working, then you just need to open App Store or Play Store on a device and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available for the app, you just need to update it. And if it is still not working, then you just need to go on settings and you just need to search the Canva, and you just need to clear the data, clear the cache of the Canva app. So you just need to click on the option of clear cache like this, and after doing all of it, your Canva will start to work again and fix the Canva something went wrong. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video.